Welcome to a new watercolor lesson, and I am Vanidas Mangathil. In this video, we will be demonstrating some quick watercolor figures. Figures are quite important when you do watercolor landscapes and streetscapes, and we will explain the process as we go along. So let's get into the video. So here we are doing some quick suggestion of figures. We are using cold pressed watercolor paper, and the paper I used is an Indian handmade paper. Any brand of watercolor paper should be good. I am making the torso now, that means the upper body. It is kind of an oval shape and maybe a little flat at the bottom but more roundish on the top. Okay, and the upper body is in some light colors, and as it comes to the pelvic area, I am going for a little darker tone, and the head is given darker because we are painting a figure which is going away from us. We are seeing the back side, so the head will be black, assuming black hairs, and maybe he's holding some bag on his right. Okay, now the colors I used here are cerulean blue and Payne's grey. Okay, the overall colors that I used for this particular practice is cerulean blue, Payne's grey, orange, and at some places some touch of red. I mean, we can do it just with orange also. And now this another very similar image, starting with cerulean blue. It may not be pure cerulean blue because the brush is already polluted with some amount of Payne's grey in it, but it could be little greyish blue, and some suggestion for the legs. So making the leg little uneven makes it little gives some movements to the leg. Okay, so when somebody is walking, the length of the leg seen will be different. It may not be equal. Some touch of orange which will suggest that he is facing towards us. Okay, so little bit of the exposed body part I am using orange. I shouldn't have used orange at the top of at the shoulder area. Okay, I think now it is very convincing that he is facing us. Maybe to give additional interest, you can make him to hold something, right, some bag or something, and some shadow, grayish blue color shadow. I'm still using the same color. Okay, so it is a mix of Payne's grey and blue. If you think this is giving any value to you, you are learning something from this and you are enjoying it, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon. I am taking a lot of pressure in explaining it, so I would request you to provide your support by likes and comments and shares, so that it can reach to more and more people, and I will also get motivated. And a little two figures following the same process: torso with light color, pelvic area with dark color, and dark color for the head and the legs. Okay, so when you make figures at a distance, by the perspective, the rules of perspective, they should be smaller. Okay, and there are other rules of perspective as well, which we can cover in a longer video. We may not be able to cover that here. That will need a little bit more explanation. When we do this kind of exercise, the concept of proportion and perspective of figures, we should practice it a lot. Okay, we should have that concept in our mind, then only it will work. So hope you have enjoyed this, and please practice it more and more. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please do let me know. And once again, it is my request to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification if you haven't already done. And please do share, like, and put your comments in your comment box below. I will surely try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you have any suggestions, I will see if that is possible to include or incorporate, and I will surely do that. Okay, thank you very much for being with me in this video. We'll see you in another video, and thank you. Bye bye.